there! Let's learn about Dataframes today. Sequential query language was the only option to query data until the debut of Dataframes. SQL skills are very valuable even today. ANSI SQL standard is followed by all RDBMS vendors like Oracle, MySQL, etc. So that makes it really easy for a SQL developer to switch between databases without much difficulty. So then, why Dataframes and why should you learn them? Dataframes are a very popular way of querying data in data science and analytics today. Spark, Pandas, and R, all these frameworks provide Dataframes API. For both small and big data, you can use Dataframe API to query data. However, the different platforms do not follow a standard for Dataframes API, but still, you can see some similarities in queries. Here is the Google Trends on all the three Dataframes, and clearly, Pandas Dataframes is more popularly queried on the Google platform. Now let's see some advantages of using a Dataframe. For analyzing a small data, setting up a regular database is an overkill. Dataframes provide a simple API to import all kinds of data, CSV, JSON, HTML, etc. Here are two examples of creating Dataframe from raw data using Pandas. First import Pandas, and then using the read CSV method, you can get a Dataframe from a CSV file. In the next example, you can create a Dataframe from a JSON file using the read JSON method. The last head function provides us the first two rows of the Dataframe, and you can see that several of the columns are starting with computed as title. You can run both the examples yourself as well by making a copy of the Colab file that is given on this link. How easy is this? Can it be this easy with a database? Point number 3. Dataframes also provide a very simple API to find the summary statistics of all the numerical columns of your Dataframe. A simple describe method, when applied on the Dataframe, will provide the count, max, min, etc. of all the numerical columns of your Dataframe in one shot. Another convenience method on the Dataframe is to apply the info method. This method gives the rest of the information that you would be interested in, like how many columns, what are the data types, how many null values you have, etc. Again, all in one shot for all the columns you can find in one go. Dataframes provide yet another simple API to drop columns in a Dataframe. While you can drop the columns by providing the column names as shown in the first statement, you can also drop columns by providing a filter with regular expression for the column names. Do you see that all the computed columns have disappeared from the Dataframe now? Dropping duplicates records in a Dataframe is a breeze. Yes, that is it. Just call the drop duplicates method and all the duplicate rows in your Dataframe will be dropped. Do you recollect how difficult it is in a standard RDBMS database to do the same thing? Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you now understand how powerful Dataframes are. This video just scratches the surface. Dataframes API is indeed very robust and very easy to use for all kinds of data manipulation.